Bro, me recording a video. Guys, that's my friend Lucia right there. If you guys can see, that's my friend Lucia. He's super good at this game.
Yeah, look, I can turn one bar.
Yeah, look at him, bro. Guys, look at him. He can literally lift one bar. He literally lift a whole bar with that. Bro, that's like 1,000 kilos or something. Guys, he's lifting me. He's lifting that thingy plus my weight, bro. Oh, he added more, and he can still do it. Plus my weight, and he's still doing it. He's literally G-Man's disciple. I'm not G-Man's disciple.
Disciple.
Bro, it's disciple, I think.
It's disciple.
Bro, it's disciple. I don't think they can hear you, though. I don't think they can hear you. Yo, I'll try and do this. Bro, look what happens if I try doing. Wait, let me try doing what you just did. Guys, I don't have my intro in my video. Guys, look how much weight he can lift. I cannot lift this. Wait, what weight can I lift? Okay, I can lift that. I can't lift that. Let's see what I can lift. Okay, I still cannot lift. 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 I still. Oh my gosh!
I can lift that.
I can lift like 400 kg, bro. I farted while I did that. Ew. Yeah, you're probably gonna do that, bro. I'll put like red and then all of them there. How am I not? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna. Bro, Lucia, should I buy? Wait, let me see how much is the next one. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, I have 2,157 strength now. So is that good, bro? 2,000. Wait, let me see. Bro is 2,157 strength good, bro. This costs 25,000 strength to even get. How am I cannot even get that, bro. I cannot get that. Oh my gosh. Wait, how much strength do you have? Oh my! Wait, how much strength do you actually have? Oh my gosh! You drip to the max. How? I'll just repeat this like 2 times. Let's see if I can even do this. I can actually do this. Yeah? I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at Lucia right there. Look at him. He's actually doing it, guys. Look. I think he just pooped his pants, but look at him, guys. Look how sweaty he's looking right now, bro. It looks like, bro, Lucia, it looks like you're doing it in slow motion. Bro, you have a muscle. Yeah, you have a muscle. Look in the front. Look. You. Wait, what level are you? Okay, what's exactly your level, bro? Oh my. 890. Oh, so in 25,000 you already got that? Yo, Lucio, can you add one? But never mind. Don't. Because he's annoying. Because he literally annoyed me. I'll try like this. No, I was gonna put more. Remove. Bro, I was.
No way, bro. Wait, somebody said you can start on stream in chat. I got that shit. He did like 30,000. You know, I got the mushroom.
Okay, guys, I was AFK for a bit. I'm core for brown abs. You do not have. This guy does. Yeah, this guy's kidding. He doesn't have brown abs. Bap, bap, bam, bam, bam,
Yeah.
bam, 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 bap, bap. Bro, why is almost. Bro, almost everyone is using. Just almost, okay? Almost, okay? Almost everyone is using the dark green weight. Bro, why don't you use the yellow weight? I can lift all of these, but I can lift more of these.
I can lift a whole board of dark.
Okay, I can literally lift this. How am I lifting this? Oh, never mind. I can actually lift this. I'm literally spamming it now, guys. If you guys probably thought that I don't have an auto clicker in the Little World video, which I did like, I don't know when I recorded that video. I actually had it. Guys, if you guys don't think I have an auto clicker, I will prove it later. Well, no, I'm not gonna prove it, but bro, guys, I actually have an auto clicker. I wasn't even doing anything, guys. I wasn't even doing anything and just clicking. Guys, later, I'm just kidding. Later, I'll.
Grind them. Yeah, let's do private server.
Why?
So there's no people.
Okay, wait.
I'm afraid.
Yeah! I'm gonna fart.
Adam is one.
I don't know. Adam, bro, Adam just keeps screaming at us. One, just keep saying we're dumb, bro. Which is so mean. Well, they don't say it all the time. They just say it when they're like Phantom Talks or brain rotted. Yeah, they're already brain rotted. We're the last Padoomskis. Literally the last survivors, not brain rotted, and then both of them are literally brain rotted. Yeah. Bro, that's my display name. My real name is Sid Among Us TV. Guys, this is my old account. This is my old account, okay? It says official. Yeah, it's official. That's me. But that's my old account that yeah, I'll just show you guys when this was me. Look. (2022). My account is 2023. Guys, check my account and it's 2020. If it's 2023, that's actually me. If it's like 2024, it's not. If it's not 2023, that's a fake Sid Among Us TV. Okay. Bro, did you add Von?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you added him because he's just gonna get mad at us. Which he already did earlier. He literally said, "All right, I'm leaving," like that. Bro, where? Oh my god, yeah.
I'm sitting on this.
Yeah, I think it's better in private servers so people can steal your workouts. Why did they? I mean machines, bro. Oh, I can lift 500 kilograms. Wait, is it even kilograms or like? Is it kilograms? Bro, bro, why earlier I couldn't do this though? Did I got stronger or something? Bro, I'm literally grinding for 25k, bro. Bro, 25k gives you muscles, bro. My chest literally 1,000, bro. Does that mean my chest is gonna get a muscle? Oh my
We're
god.
trying to work on that. Yeah, we look at something like that.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, I can see that.
We need 2 little dots.
I can barely see it too. But in the front, I can see it a lot.
You
Bro.
even on the sides.
Wait, what? Where? In the I cannot see it. Oh, there's like, is that like the lion stuff? Bro, I'm pretty sure I can barely see it. It's because you're like your suit is color purple. Yeah. Okay, that's too easy. Guys, look how fast I can lift this. Look how fast I can lift this now. Look how fast I can lift a whole bar of this. Okay, it's taking time. I'll try lifting every bar like this. Probably can't do that. Oh my. Guys, don't be mad at me, but this is the limit, okay? I'm sorry, this is the limit. I might use my auto clicker in this game. I'm not gonna lie. Boosh. I'll use my auto clicker. Never mind, I'm not using that. Ah! I wish we had Robux so we could buy Auto Train. I literally only have 3 Robux, which, yeah. Okay, and then I'll get more energy. See how much.
I have some muscles on
Towers. Okay, can you like do the laugh like like that? So they can hear. Guys, if you guys didn't hear him, he said like I can't even do it. I coughed.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I can do. That's so bad. He did it faster, guys. Bro, Von keeps spamming. Von keeps spamming even though I told him, bro. Okay, I can definitely lift this. Yep, I can lift this. That's not easy. This is not, bro. This one is not easy though. This one is not easy.
I can lift a whole bar.
Oh my gosh, how?
Let me try to run.
Wait, what? You have 100 kilograms? Oh my!
I'm gonna try to lift it.
Bam, 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 bam.
Yes. Here, let me lift.
Bro, how? How are you gonna do that?
Here.
Yo! Guys, don't be mad at me, but I still do not have my intro. Oh gosh. I know I made the intro and then there's a bunch of videos that I don't have my voice in. Well, here you go. I have my voice in this video. Oh my gosh, bro. I can barely do this one, bro. Oh my god, this one's literally 500 kilograms. I probably cannot do the next one, bro. Guys, if you, okay. Oh.
I can literally lift a whole bar.
Wait, what already?
Yeah.
Oh my. Guys, if you don't know the first 20-minute video me and Adam made, and also the video that I had my voice in, which there's a bunch of videos that I had my voice in, but that's like in my old device. Well, there's a bunch of videos we made. Well, not all of them are like 20 minutes. Some of them are like just 15 minutes or something. Bro, you're flexing. You're flexing, bro. You're flexing. don't flex though. Oh my god, I don't think. How am I lifting this? I thought I only can lift like 500 kilograms or something. Whoa! Bro, in this game, I think if you lift something super and too heavy, I think you might actually poop your pants in this. Imagine that's actually a thing, bro. Guys, I'm gonna turn off my mic and I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Bro, I barely got any. Guys, my favorite thing to do in this game is just to on my stats and also work out at the same time so I can see my strength going up while I'm like working out. Bro, my ugly bro my freaking lol what t-shirt is gonna block it if I have a muscle, bro. Wait, I think it's gonna be more visible because I think the muscle is purple and then purple because of the shirt and then the like t-shirt is gonna make it more visible, right? Yo, I don't have a muscle yet though. In the back I don't do I have a muscle in the back? What? Is there any in the back I can see? I don't know if that counts as a muscle though. I don't know if that's a muscle. It looks like a muscle. You guys can probably not see it or can see it. Some of you guys probably can see it. But I cannot. I can see it, but it's probably not. I can't lift this. How am I gonna lift this? How am I gonna lift it? Wait, let me try lifting like 700 or something. 700 pounds or something. Or, I mean, no, I keep saying pounds. I keep accidentally saying pounds. Well, in my mind though, I was gonna say pounds, but kilograms. Yeah. I'm not doing that. I'm literally doing more. I'll try doing 700. Ah. Green. Green, 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 green. Yeah. We're just kids. We're literally just kids. We're not gonna do that. Wait, am I gonna get banned off YouTube because I said we're kids? Okay, 700. Yo! Oh my! Bro, I'm left with 6 energy! Ugh. Bro, did you get your muscles in strength 5,000 or 25,000? Oh my gosh, that's a long way to go, bro. I only have like 3,398. 30,000?
That's like 25,000.
Wait, how do you... Oh, yeah. Wait, how do you level up your chest again in the machine I'm using? Where? The one you're using right now?
This is the chest press.
That?
Bench press.
Bro really called it chest press. I'll do it here.
I forgot what it meant, so I said chest press.
Wait, my chest, bro? I can literally do this, I think.
My chest,
I'm pretty sure I can do this with my chest. Wait. Oh, never mind.
Got you.
Okay, none. Bro, why is my chest like 15,170 but I can't do this? Oh, I'm doing it! Jeez! This is more than my strength, bro. I'm just up.
One
Oh my! Wait, that's not a whole bar though. Wait, I'm gonna get some snacks. Wait. Oh my gosh, I accidentally fell. I almost fell. Bro, be careful. You might poop yourself. You might burst out a volcano of brown, bro. Bro, you actually might burst. I'm not kidding. Ah! Yeah, I got some cookies. So loud.
Oh God, they keep looking at my water.
Dun,
I
dun.
call it muscular.
What? Muskel?
This is how easy I can do it for 0 kilograms.
Bro, look how fast I am. Look.
I'm gonna live a whole kilo. I mean,
A whole kilo.
a whole bar. Look at this, bro.
What? How the frick? Yo, Lisha.
I'm left with 0 energy.
Okay, but Lisha, what level, bro? Does your chest need to be level 25,000 or your strength has to be level 25,000?
I think you're straight.
Then I'm not doing this anymore, bro. Wait, do you get like muscles if you become 25,000 chest?
25,000 chest.
Yeah.
No, I think 25,000.
Oh my, that's such a long way to go. I literally have like 3,742, bro. I can only do 700 kilograms. I'm sorry, guys. I probably use.
I can only lift 1,200 kilograms.
That's a lot. What he just said he can only lift 1,200 kilograms, which that's a lot, guys.
But I can lift it easily, bro.
Yeah. Oh my! I'm literally left with 19 energy.
I'm gonna work on my starting.
Okay. I'm gonna eat one of my cookies. Wait. I'm gonna eat. Oh.
But it was a zero.
This is a delicious chicken. This is a little snack.
I can see him eat.
This is a little snack.
This is I thought you said this is my little cat. I'm gonna work on my biceps.
Oh! Santa Claus we never see. Santa Claus, who's that? Who's he? I farted. I'm just kidding. I bursted.
Bro,
What does burst even mean?
you thought them.
Oh. Okay, that's kinda brutal. Never mind.
This is how I lift the red wave.
Guys, never mind. I'm not gonna prove that I have an auto clicker anymore. But I just want to guys to know that I actually have an auto clicker. Yo, Lucia, I actually have an auto clicker, right?
Yeah.
If you guys didn't hear Lucia, he said yeah.
Working on my biceps. Working on my biceps.
I can do this.
Working on my biceps. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my cousins because we're going somewhere.
Okay.
We're gonna watch Inside Out.
Okay. I already watched Inside Out too.
Later for.
Okay. Bye bye. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys. Today I'm just gonna bye guys. Padumski out.